I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Animate for beginners. Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with the Animate workspace. You'll see the main stage where your animation happens, the timeline for organizing frames, and the Tools panel for drawing. Feel free to customize your layout by dragging panels around. To begin, simply go to File, then New, and select a document type, perhaps Full HD for a crisp 1920 by 1080 pixel canvas. Now let's dive into drawing. Grab the brush tool or pencil tool from your Tools panel. You can easily adjust its size and color in the Properties panel to the right. For precise shapes, try the rectangle or oval tools. Don't forget the Pathfinder panel. It's fantastic for combining or subtracting shapes to create more intricate designs. Experiment with different tools to find what works best for your artistic vision. Understanding the timeline is crucial for animation. It's where you organize your frames and control timing. Keyframes are like snapshots marking important changes. To add a new keyframe, simply right-click on the timeline. For smooth movement, use motion tweens. Animate will automatically fill in the frames between your keyframes. Remember to set your frame rate, usually around 24 frames per second, for fluid playback. Finally, let's get your animation ready for the world. Always save your project as an Animate document, a FLA file, regularly. When you're ready to share, go to File, then Export, and choose Export Video/Media. You can export as an MP4 or other video formats. Select your preferred resolution, perhaps 1280 by 720 pixels for web sharing, and click Export. Congratulations on your first animation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.